What is up? What is going on? Fantastic, wonderful, and just my absolute favorite subscribers, the people who watch this video. Today, we're going to be doing, finally, a screen pass. Today is Saturday, which normally the passes never get released on Saturday, which is very strange, but I'm not complaining. So hopefully this great game that is a lot of fun to play, and it's going to give us a good pack. Come on, Stefan Diggs. Pink cocaine on the boat with the strippers and all the booty. Stefan Diggs, let's see it. Nah, alright, it's about the way she goes. So, looking in, absolutely would never consider buying a sleeper card. That's a rip. Still no sleepers filter by. Thank you NFL Rivals for I did finally craft Evan Ingram. And here you can see I have two of the Gainwell Pittsburgh Steelers. You know, the one thing that I have to complain about this Shakers event, but it's not their fault, is they should release an Aaron Rodgers card. They should do Pittsburgh Steelers Aaron Rodgers, just because that would be better than Harold Landry. Not a problem though, so thank you and have a great day.